Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Affiliate marketing is still one of the easiest ways to make money online in 2026, but the real struggle is choosing the right affiliate network. Because the truth is, not all networks are equal. Some pay better, some convert better, and some give you access to brands people actually trust. In today's video, I'm breaking down the top affiliate networks you should consider in 2026, whether you're a beginner, a YouTuber, a blogger, a marketer, or a business owner looking to add a new income stream. Let's jump right in. Number one is CJ Affiliate or Commission Junction. CJ Affiliate is one of the most established and reputable affiliate networks globally. So it has been around for decades and partners with some of the biggest brands in technology, retail, travel, and digital services. So it has access to major brands like Samsung, GoPro, Grammarly, and Office Depot. Advanced real time reporting tools, reliable tracking and conversions, high quality merchants with strong customer trust. So it's best for tech channels, lifestyle creators, business tutorials, and product review YouTubers. So it stands out because CJ offers high performing merchants, meaning higher conversions and better commissions. If you want premium, trustworthy offers, this network is a must join. The second one is Awin. Awin is a massive global affiliate network with advertisers in almost every category. You have retail, fashion, travel, education, finance, and digital products. So over 20,000 advertisers from across the world, beginner-friendly setup, its fair and fast approval process, flexible linking tools, and deep links. It's best for international audiences, multi-niche channels, and bloggers. So it stands out because Awin gives you much variety. So if you have multiple types of content or a global audience, this network gives you tons of relevant offers. The third one is Amazon Associates. Amazon remains the largest affiliate program in the world. And despite lower commissions, it still leads because of one thing: massive trust. So, of course, it has millions of products, it's fast sign up and easy approval, it has high conversion rates, global audience support, it's best for tech reviews, product links, and YouTube description, lifestyle creators, and vloggers. So people already trust Amazon. If you recommend something on YouTube, viewers click and buy, and you get paid. It's simple, universal, and great for beginners. The fourth one is ClickBank. ClickBank specializes in digital products like courses, tools, software, templates, and ebooks. Commissions here are often extremely high, so commissions up to 70% or more. It's an approval for almost all offers. It has tons of categories like fitness, business, finance, self help. Marketplace shows product stats so you can pick winners. It's best for make money online creators, marketing channels, fitness creators, investment, and personal development niches. So ClickBank gives high payouts, fast approvals, and digital products that convert quickly. If you want big commissions, this is the network for you. The fifth one is Impact. Impact is a modern, advanced network that works with major global brands and top software companies. It's perfect for affiliates who want premium partnerships. So it's beautiful, powerful dashboard. It works with huge companies like Airbnb, Canva, Shopify, HubSpot. It's recurring commission programs, very accurate tracking across devices. So Impact has many high-paying SaaS brands, meaning you can earn recurring monthly commissions, ideal for YouTube channels about AI, tech, and business. Next is Rakuten Advertising. Rakuten partners with big name retail and lifestyle brands, making it a top choice for creators looking for established companies. So if your audience loves brand name products, Rakuten gives you offers that already have built-in trust, making them easier to promote. So it has premium global retail brands, high quality tracking and analytics, strong customer support, and trusted by major advertisers. Next is FlexOffers. FlexOffers is a massive affiliate network with thousands of merchants across every niche, from tech to finance to lifestyle. Over 10,000 affiliate programs, fast approvals, intuitive and simple dashboard, wide range of digital and physical products. It's good for multi-niche creators, websites with diverse content, beginner affiliates. FlexOffers is all about variety. You can find almost any product you need, making it perfect for content creators who cover multiple topics. And those are the top affiliate networks you should consider in 2026. Each one has its strengths, so the best one for you really depends on your content style. So, what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time. If you want a Gemini powered website fast, you've got to check out Webira. Most people spend hours, even days, trying to build a website. You need to write the content, pick a design, edit images, arrange sections, and if you're not a designer or developer, it becomes a headache. But with Webera, you can skip all of that. Just describe your business, type what you want, and Webera uses Gemini level AI intelligence to instantly create a complete website for you. It writes your text, designs your layout, chooses your colors, generates your images, and makes everything mobile friendly. No coding, no design skills, just results. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, creator, or running an agency, Webera helps you build beautiful, professional websites in minutes. You can launch landing pages, portfolios, service sites, anything faster than ever. So if you want a clean, modern, Gemini powered website right now, click the link below and try Webera today. Don't wait, your website is literally one click away. So what are you waiting for? Get Webera now. Just go to getwebera.in.